Are you missing 5-star Google reviews on your business profile? I get asked this question almost on a weekly basis. Hey Ben, I'm missing my reviews. How do I get them back? I know how frustrating this can be because we work so hard to get those reviews on in the first place. To go back in there and see they're just gone or missing after all our hard work, it's really frustrating. So today we're going to talk about, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these reviews back. It's not a 100% success rate, but it is really, really good at getting back those missing reviews. I have seen agents get up to 7 reviews back in one single try. My name is Ben Weissman. I'm a realtor, Google, and AI expert. And today we're going to learn how to get your missing 5-star Google reviews back onto your business profile. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to get right into it. All right, so I'm just on a regular Google business profile for an agent named Hillary Dunleavy. There's a specific form they have to fill out on Google business profile in order to get our 5-star Google reviews back, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So right here, there's a little 3 dots here. We're going to drop that menu down, and then we're going to click on Help and Support. Once you're on this page here in a new tab, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Contact Us. And then you're going to drop this box down and pick your business profile. And then into the box here, we're going to type in the word missing or type in reviews. They both work. Then right here, we're going to put in review missing. We're going to select that option, hit next again, and hit next again. And then we'll get this email option. We'll pull that open. And this will bring up a form to fill out for missing Google reviews. It's specifically designed for missing reviews. So I won't go over all the fields here, but we're going to go over a couple specific ones that are really important to get right. So obviously, first, put your name, phone number, email. Make sure the email matches up with the email you're logged into right now. And then we also need to go get your business profile ID, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to head back over to the business profile, click on the menu again, and then click on business profile settings, and go into advanced settings. And then right on top here, it'll say business profile ID. We're going to copy that and paste it right into this box right over here. All right, next we have a question here asking how many missing reviews we're missing. We're going to drop it down. I'm going to do 1 to 10, which is usually what we see. I mean, it's rare to have 10 reviews missing, but if you are missing more, select the higher range. All right, so now we're going to be going down here. This option here that says, are new reviews being published? This is an important question to ask. When you get new reviews from clients, are none of them being published or only specific ones not being published? If none are being published, make sure you hit no here. If you know some are getting through but some aren't, then click yes, reviews are being published, right? Maybe not all of them, but if a couple are being published, make sure you hit yes here. And then we have a time frame. So for the time frame, we're going to put in there, we're missing reviews in the past couple weeks, past couple months, or past couple years. It's not a specific date that we lost reviews. It's just a range of when they started to become missing. And then we have the most important field, reviewers' names. If you know the names of the people who you know left reviews and are missing, put all those names in this box separated by commas. If you don't know, it is an optional field, but I highly recommend putting the effort in and finding out whose reviews exactly are missing and put their names in this box. And lastly, you're going to describe your issue. Just be as honest and as descriptive as possible to what happened. So for example, I worked with a client 2 weeks ago and I watched him give me a 5-star Google review. We then checked and I can see the review on his side, but it's not showing up publicly or on my side. It is missing. Please help me get the review back, right? That way they know that for a fact this person left a review. They can see it from their end, but it's not being published to the public, right? Or I got a review a couple weeks ago. I saw it on my account for a couple weeks, and then I went back and checked 2 weeks ago, and it was missing. Again, that description really helps Google diagnose and figure out why the review is missing and helps them get the review back. Once you fill out this form, you can submit it. Usually about 3 days to get a response, and they should respond one way or the other. If they respond back and say, hey, we're sorry, but we can't find any reviews, what you can do is you can try to submit this form one more time. I wouldn't do more than twice, but oftentimes the second submission can get those reviews back. So if you tried it once and it didn't work, try to publish it again. Good luck, guys, and happy review hunting. If you guys want more tutorials, more walkthroughs, and more information about AI and Google, make sure to check out our school community. There's a links down below in the description. Also, feel free to comment on here, and I will get back with any questions, or reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, and I can help you guys out in any way that I can. Take care, guys, and have a good rest of your day.